Let's go and catch them right quick. They ain't ready for me. On their ass. Gas power against electric, baby. Watch you snatching. What? 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 Y'all in my hood? What? What's up? What? What? They can't catch me, baby. We on the razor. Stunt. What's up? What's up? What's up, dog? What y'all just riding around? Oh, that's what's up. That's what's up. Uh-huh. Huh? This is 14 kilowatts.
So it's hella fast?
Yeah. I got it turned down though, you know what I'm saying, just so I could do wheelies. Yeah, but it go like 60 miles per hour. It's cool. It's cool. Yep. Y'all be seeing these in LA? Yeah. They be dragging them and shit? Yeah. I wanted to build one.
We were just with one of the homies that has one of the LA frames.
Oh, for real?
We just went home though right now.
Yeah, the long frames, huh? Yeah. Them motherfuckers hella fast. They go like 100, huh?
I was just racing him. He was like, we were almost like at the same. I think it goes like around 60.
60?
Like 50.
Yeah, that's how fast this go. This go like 63.
Nah, yeah. This one's stock right now.
Huh? How much was it? This is just a, well, I built it. It's a razor. The smaller sprocket on it, huh?
42.
Yeah, I put a big sprocket on this one.
For a better wheelie, no?
Yeah, for like more, yep. For more top end. Yep.
Nah, yeah, this one launches a better way.
Bro, when racing over there with Henry, like right when we went off, bro, I gave it health throttle, she left it up. Tommy Johnny?
Huh, damn. That's what's up. You got back brakes on it too, huh?
Yeah, that's what we got.
Oh yeah, that's all you need is your back. That's what I got.
Yeah.
You lift it up, just all you gotta do is rely on that motherfucker.
You don't got none.
Oh, is that all? Bro, you better be careful lifting it. It'll loop on your ass.
Bro, I almost felt like twice already, bro.
Yeah, I loop like heck of times on this. I hit it cause like the power is like right there.
Yeah, literally right there.
You
right
touch
there.
it, yeah, cause it's electric. You touch it, it'll loop on you. So you gotta like.
This one it takes a little bit of pick up.
Yeah.
Top it out? Yeah, I want to top it out.
Hey, you know you can take out the fucking cause
governor. The governor.
Yeah, you just take it out on the other side.
Right here,
Yeah. Nah, the governor is inside the engine.
Yeah.
You see where you got your clutch at?
Yeah.
Okay, all you have to do is take all that out, unscrew them bolts.
Yeah,
It's a little plastic piece. You take that little plastic, you will see it. It's like a little plastic piece. You take the plastic piece off. That motherfucker. I used to when I was younger. I used to ride these motherfuckers on the freeway. Hell yeah.
Around here?
Nah, I lived in Oakland when I was growing up. I used to ride the motherfucker on the freeway, bro. It used to go so fast. Yeah, mine went like at least 65 miles per hour. Hella fast. I'm talking about fast though. It would keep fucking going until you blow the engine.
Area, almost.
Yeah, it keep going till you blow the engine. It just keep picking up speed like bah.
And then boom.
Yeah. Yeah, but it take a lot to blow it though. Yeah.
No, yeah, these engines are built good.
Yeah, there's some strong engines.
They really blow unless you like really push them.
Yeah. Yo. Yeah, them motherfuckers, this is fun, man, for the summer though.
Yeah,
Get around.
9 to 5 mini bikes.
Yeah.
We got like a little group right now. I got one of my boys that go to school with me. He got one of these, but probably not as fast as this.
Yeah.
He has a razor.
Right. Yeah.
He got I forgot what he said. A Honda swap.
Oh, okay.
Swapped it and put like battery in it.
Oh, he traded his Honda for electric.
No. He like swapped everything out. Electric.
Oh.
I don't know, maybe he just bought the frame or what, but yeah.
Oh, he built it, right.
His shit's Honda, yeah.
Yeah, that's what's up. Yeah. You know what I'm saying? I'm like, my days of riding those is over.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Because hell nah, I fall, I'm through, nigga. I fall off this motherfucker, I'm gone for like 2-3 months, broken bones. Y'all youngsters though, so y'all fall, y'all get right back up. Y'all just have little scrapes and shit, y'all good. Yeah.
The little road burn.
Yeah, that's why I don't fuck with big bikes no more. I had a 250. A YZ250. I used to ride in Oakland. I broke my fucking leg on that motherfucker, but I was younger though. Yeah, but I used to hit wheelies on that motherfucker and shit.
I want to learn how to wheelie this one.
Yeah.
I'm trying to wheelie. I'm gonna sell that one soon though. 'Cause that one's mine too.
Right.
I built that one. I'm gonna sell it.
Yeah.
Put more money into this one.
Mm-hmm. Well, yeah, you just need a bigger sprocket and back brakes.
Yeah.
Yeah. And start with your feet. Like I learned
Start with the feet like this.
Yeah.
Pop up.
I learned on my dirt bike with one foot on the just like on the brakes, coasting the brakes like this foot on there and one foot down, and just be popping it up. You know what I'm saying? That's how I learned. Yeah.
Now you this one. I'm gonna see. I'm gonna try to learn though soon. I mean, we're in summer. I got all day now.
Yeah. You just gotta make sure your brakes lock up.
Yeah, not yet.
Before you want to loop that motherfucker, cause that.
Brand new.
Oh yeah, you good. Yeah, you good.
Brand new.
Yep. Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Now you and that other engine about the governor, I'm probably gonna rebuild it because that shit locked up on me because of the governor.
Right.
I gotta take it apart, take that shit out.
Yeah. Take that motherfucking governor out. That motherfucker bang, bruh.
A stock without the governor easily going like 56.
Hell yeah. I'm like, you'd be like, this is crazy.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, y'all, I'm about to get up out of here.
Yeah.
All right, bruh. All right, big dog.
Take
All right,
care.
for sure. I had to stunt for a minute, y'all. Just for 1 second. You know I had to stunt for 1 second. Had to show them, you know what I'm saying, the electric bang harder than gas. Yeah, we'll be seeing a lot of people out here. You know what I'm saying? Cause summer is here, bruh. Summer is here. Yeah, that was cool though, man. That was hecka cool. Alright. Summer is here, bruh. Alright.